to barbecue stuffed chicken peppers. I'm going to show them how to cut the pepper, then they're going to cut the pepper. We got a nice pepper. We are going to cut it in half. Okay, so we cut it in half. We're going to rip out, you know, that part. Vinny, go get that tray with the foil on there over there. Okay, so we're going to take that pan with the foil right there. Yeah, bring that over here. So we're going to rip all this out. So then we're going to stuff all the stuffing in there after. We'll put it on the tray over here. And just wait for our stuffing that we're going to make. Okay, so we got 2 more peppers here. Robbie's gonna do one and Vinny's gonna do one. They're gonna cut it in half. Keep your fingers out of the way.
Okay, can I cut one in half? No. Okay.
Very nice. Good job. Now we're gonna rip all the stuff out. Ugh, this one's pretty tough.
Can I cut this?
No.
I got a seed.
All these seeds we can plant later. So go in the compost and then we'll have peppers forever. Very nice. You're gonna get all this yucky yellow stuff because it's really bitter. And these are gonna be so good. I'm grilling the chicken right now. And once we get all that chicken grilled and cubed, we're gonna add the barbecue sauce and other stuff and add it to our peppers. Right.
This is all the ingredients. No, Robbie, I get the small one. Then I guess all 6.
Key ingredient.
Ingredients for the sauce: 2 tablespoons of champion chicken, a half of this
Cup.
a half cup
Of what?
of sharp cheddar cheese,
And a half cup of that barbecue sauce.
and a half cup of barbecue sauce, and a bowl.
So let's combine all the ingredients together. So let's pour in a half a cup of barbecue sauce.
Mom,
A little more is okay?
Okay, Mom, can I do all this stuff?
Yeah, okay, get the cheese
Got cheese.
and then pour it in the half
No,
cup.
I do all this stuff. Okay, pour it.
Pour it in this half a cup because we need a half a cup of cheddar cheese.
Okay.
So let's just use it all. Okay, and now we need 2 tablespoons of this. This is the key ingredient.
Right. I do everything. Right, I do everything.
Here, let me see.
Right, I do that. Me.
Okay, 2 tablespoons. You could do 1. Here, let's see. We might have to. Here, hold it. Okay, 1. Okay, let Vinny put in the other one. Ooh, okay. Okay, now go get, we can use that to stir it up.
Okay.
So use that little spoon and
We'll
stir it up.
stir for 10 seconds.
Are you counting the 10 seconds, Robbie?
10 seconds.
Okay, now stir it up real good. Mix up all that cheese with that barbecue sauce and the seasoning. And then once the chicken's all cut up, we're gonna mix that all together. Ooh, and it's so good when it's all melted and delicious. Stay tuned.
2 cups of chicken to our sauce mix. Okay. 2. 1. Oh. Can I stir it?
Stir it up.
Amy?
Might have to get more barbecue sauce. You want it to be nice and juicy and delicious. All the sauce like gets in the peppers and it's so good.
Wait, peppers in here?
Now we're gonna put all this in the peppers. Stir it up real good, mix it all up.
Mom, can I taste it in Robbie?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take our delicious mix of chicken and sauce and we're gonna put it inside the peppers. I'm gonna stuff it inside the peppers.
Right, you do yours. No. Right, I would do mine. This is too slow. Right, so I will do mine. You doing yours, Robbie?
Looks good. Once they're all stuffed, we're gonna put them in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 30 to 45 minutes. And they'll be so bubbly and juicy and good.